What's the meaning of banker's draft? Banker's draft. Banker's draft.
Banker's draft. Banker's draft. A banker's draft is a payment instrument, also known as a cashier's check or bank check, that is issued by a bank on behalf of a customer. It is a secure form of payment because it is drawn on the bank's own funds and is guaranteed by the bank. When a customer requests a banker's draft, the bank will debit the customer's account for the amount of the draft and issue a paper instrument that can be used to make a payment to a recipient. This form of payment is often used for high-value transactions, such as real estate purchases, where a personal check may not be accepted due to concerns about insufficient funds or fraud.